Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 24, 2024 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayon June 24, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, June 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 24, 2024 Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 16.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 55.5 million pesos for Monday, June 24, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of June 24, 2024 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.